All right, just cleaned out the keyboard, and I haven't even typed anything yet, so I'm about to type and see. WERASD X and letter P didn't work. So let's see what's gonna show up here. After cleaning it out, it was so dusty. All right, let's do with A. All right, letter A is working. This is it. S. Oh shoot. D. Oh my God, it's working. Let's see W. Oh, W is not working. Damn. Well, I guess D I didn't. W I didn't get the clean very well, but E. E is not working either. It's a Q. So it's the top three. Okay. So R. R. F. F is working. D is working. S. Z. X. C. V. B. N. M. P. Oh my God, P is working. U. Y. H. I. G. B. T. M. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Okay, so I got everything cleaned out except Q. W. So QWE I didn't get the clean out very well. And I really don't want to go back there and remove everything and clean it all over again. Well, you gotta do what you gotta do. The R wasn't working, I got the R working. The ASD I got working because it wasn't working. The F, yeah, F is working. So is this one. That's working. So everything's working. Spacebar is working. Okay. Well, that concludes everything. So I know what to do now. Thanks for watching.